Here we go, Bklyn24 trying a box of Certified Football 2013 just came out. And good luck to you, sir. Give everyone a look at this stuff. Good looking box too. They're actually lined up and in their holes. Nice. That's all it is right there. All right, here we go. Wow. You might have a hot box. Yeah, I think you pulled the hot box because you have a D Milliner. I think this is a hot box. Rookie. Decoy. Matt Forte, numbered to 250. This is all in one pack. That's the mirror red, numbered to 250. Then you also pulled a Theo Riddick, rookie to 999. Theo Riddick as well. So, out of one pack, three. Oh, that's normal. At first I thought it was fat, but that's normal. There we go again. Jordan Poyer, rookie. So normally you just get one per pack, one non-base. We've got Immortals Mirror Blue of Bart Starr, very nice, number to 100. Immortals Mirror Blue, number to 100 of Bart Starr. And an Immortals of Emmitt Smith. Holy crap. This is an Immortals pack. Literally. Everything. Immortals of Emmitt Smith. Immortals of Bruce Smith. And an Immortals of Eric Dickerson. The whole freaking pack was Immortals. Except for the first rookie. Well, this is going to turn out to be a pretty good break for you, Bklyn. You haven't even got to your hits yet. Here we go again. Oh, there you go. New generation rookie of Matt Barkley. Matt Barkley rookie. What the freak? Dude, this is disgusting. Number 9 of 25, gold, Deshaun Jackson. Number to 25, gold, Deshaun Jackson. Okay. And then, wow, rookie autograph gold, number 25 of 25, Brad Sorensen. Brad Sorensen, 25 of 25, rookie auto gold. What the frick? That's your first hit. That is crazy. Kerwin Williams. Rookie, new generation rookie. Joe Namath, number to 250, Immortals red. This is crazy. And Matt Elam, number to 999, new generation rookie. I mean, tons of value. Like I said, we haven't even gotten, we've one auto so far. Rookie of Jarvis, oh my lord. Jarvis Jones, rookie. Then, really nice, wow. New generation blue, number to 100, rookie, Marcus Lattimore. Number to 100, Marcus Lattimore, new generation mirror blue. Then, oh, so dirty. Numbered, Fabric of the Game rookie patch, numbered 11 of 49 for the Dolphins, Deion Jordan. Look at that patch. Deion Jordan patch. Number to 49, rookie patch. Wow. Disgusting. Next, Marcus Davis, new generation rookie. Wow. Rookie, gold, Justin Hunter, number to 25. New generation gold rookie of Justin Hunter, number to 25. And then you have a Chris Carter Immortals. You've got a Fred Taylor Immortals. And a Jerome Bettis. Jerome Bettis Immortals. Ridiculous. Another Immortals hot pack. Rookie of Jonathan Franklin. New generation rookie, Jonathan Franklin. Ty Hilton, mirror blue, number to 100. Kenyon Barner, number to 999. Deion Sanders, immortal. And Art Monk, immortals. Still got 2 hits to go. This is ridiculous. New generation rookie of Tyler Wilson. And then number to 99, mirror blue jersey, Reggie Wayne. Number to 99, that's a blue. Reggie Wayne. Then Immortals blue, numbered to 100, Boomer. I can never say his last name. Boomer. Immortals blue to 100. Rookie of Sam Montgomery. We have a Dwayne Allen blue to 100. Esiason. No joke. Immortals to 999 of Earl Campbell. And I think you're one hit away. This should, yep, this is a hit. Aaron Millette, rookie. Oh, these are awesome looking. Freshman fabric, mirror blue, number 9 of 100, dual jersey autograph, Zach Ertz. Those are crazy awesome looking. Zach Ertz, number to 100, mirror blue freshman fabrics. And Isaiah P, number to 100 for the Rams, mirror blue. So, sir, there you have it.